Local news for Thursday the 12th of September. Kia ora, I'm Brent Gare. UCOL has released the 2018 educational performance results of institutes of technology and polytechnics across the country, and they've outperformed the sector average in 3 out of the 4 key indicators. The institution also ranked second highest in the country for 2 of the key measures, qualification completion rates and first-year retention rates. Already successful but local business, Rebel Bakehouse is a finalist in the Sustainable Business Network Awards for 2019 in the Transforming Food category, as well as being named as a finalist in the Innovation category for the 2019 Wairarapa Business Awards. A huge occasion at Rathkill today, where the college will host the ordination of Archdeacon Waitohiriki Quail, the Bishop of Opoko o Te Ika, making her the first Māori woman in history to be elected bishop. And in sport, over 100 football teams will compete in the annual Douglas Villa tournament this weekend, as well as locals, as teams from Wellington, Wanganui and New Plymouth. For local news, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.